The headband on your Audio-Technica is starting to flake after several months or maybe several years. My name is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video I'm going to show you the perfect solution for that. Now, we've already made it before. It's called our WC BandZ headband covers, but this is our version 2, made out of silicone, fits better, looks better, all around better. So let me start the video and I'll show you how it works. Let's go. Okay, let's start. So it's going to be very simple, straightforward zipper, silicone headband, kind of like the same shape of the headband. You're just gonna put it up like here. By the way, it only covers the leather part. It won't cover the plastic part, the plastic hinges. So try to align it with the leather part of the headband, like this. All right, so we did it. Push the zipper to the back. Just hook the zipper, hooked, and that's it. What I like about this cover compared to the fabric one is just that it fits so much smoother on the actual headband compared to the fabric part. It looks like a part of the headset. And by the way, when you put it on your head and you stretch it, you'll see how right here on the headband, it becomes a little unaligned. But once you bring it back to the original shape, silicone is firm enough to just go back to its memory and it's smooth again. That is it. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you in the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.